Okay, I love skating because I failed a couple times, but I know how to skate good with the little skating walker. You be like, It'd be fun.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome to a mukbang with your girl Starra. Get to know her. So first, I got some seafood boil. And we're gonna do our prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this food and we hope that you bless it. Amen. So this is a get to know me record. And you're gonna get to know me very good. Like how old I am and stuff like that. And what to do about how old I am too. And I know it's kind of different, y'all, that Ninfahall and Jason ain't in the video. They are busy right now because they have to do something real quick. And I'm gonna tell you about it. I am 8 years old. My birthday was last year. And I am in 2nd grade. I have a wonderful family. For those that didn't know and who are new to the channel, you can check out our channel. We got cool videos. And I have a sister. So I know she doesn't be in it, but she was in one live with one of her sons. And yeah, I'm gonna be telling you about how we moved here and stuff like that. We moved here when the rent was getting too high. It was one bedroom and one bathroom and a kitchen and stuff like that. There was a bed inside the living room. By the kitchen. Who makes a bed by the kitchen? I'm just telling you that. Who would make a bed right there on that? And as I was saying, we moved here and our car broke down. And so we had to call somebody to help us. I was asleep at the time. Yeah, we was at a hotel. And then right next day we was at Indiana. We're here now. Right now. On this channel. God blessed us with so many things that we don't even know about. He might do something for us next year, or he might get us he might give us more money. So you never know. Because
the camera cut off.
The camera cut it off. So let's get back talking to me. Okay, I love skating because I failed a couple times, but I know how to skate good with the little skating walker. You be like, It'd be fun. And my favorite thing about school, I know you guys are like, why don't you talk about school? You talk about everything else. Chill, talk about school now. Happy? Okay, so school, my favorite subject is math because you gotta solve the problem and be like, ooh, what's that? Ooh, what's that? And then on the spelling test, you be like, how do I get an F? You just don't know about some things because some things might pop up. Oh, y'all, I know y'all seen the video of me eating one. This time I'm gonna chew it. Ooh, gotta get that juice on it. It is so good. I need another one. Like, y'all see how good this looks. Oh, whoa. You need some more juice. I just ate 3. This is how the meat look like. Welcome to the Shell family. I just gotta say welcome. So, my favorite thing about like being at home on weekends, it is TV and stuff and everything like that. And my favorite thing about my family is that we're church people. And that's my favorite thing about my family because I grew up in a Christian family. You know, stuff like that. So, like, my cousins are great, they're nice to me. And my experience having fun with people is so much fun. Like, when you look at me, you're gonna think like, who is she? And then when I talk, I'll be like, hi guys, my name is Starra. You're gonna say, it's PictureUsRolyling daughter. It's PictureUsRolyling daughter. And then you're gonna be like, oh. When you get to know me. Ooh. But that's just how you gotta meet me. You can't just walk up like here, like, hey, are you Starra? And I'd be like, yes. That's how you should talk to me. Cause I'm a kind person. But if we've been friends forever, that's when we get to the arguing. I can call everybody my friends. I have a best friend named Christy. We out here. And she asked me for things. So I'll be saying maybe, or no, or yes. What was this? Ooh. 4. So she'd be like, okay, can I please like have such and such? And I'd be like, I don't know, I'm gonna figure out tomorrow. And then I don't bring it the next day because I'm gonna tell her I forgot. You know, sometimes I do forget stuff like that. And she'd be like, you forgot about it? And I'd be like, chill, I forgot about something. And let me do what I need to do today. And then I'll give it to you. That's how I'll be with her. So then I said, everybody, I'm gonna tell such and such about who she like. I'm not gonna say his name. And then she said, I'm not gonna talk to you. And then I said, everybody, Chrissy likes such and such. And she like, Starra, why you tell everyone? And Teresa said, I thought you wasn't gonna talk to her. And I was like, exactly. This was at lunchtime. But every second grade, there's like only 3 classes of second grade. Miss Ruby and Miss McNeely. And yeah. What's that? Oh. And my most favorite thing to do is get on my parents' TV. It's so much fun. And my favorite pet in my life was Kit Kat, and I think she just woke up from her nap. Cause I just heard her bell ring. Y'all did hear that? I think I was talking. And she's like my favorite person in the world. I can't love anyone. My favorite parent is my mom. I'm just gonna play a little joke, but she Chinese. she don't know how to speak Chinese. Listen, sometimes I get mad at my cat, but I still love her. And I be like, I have to speak Chinese for her to know what I said. So I'll be like, I'll just say, why did you do that? And then I'll be like, okay, I'm sorry, Kit Kat. Then she go be like, man, don't talk to me. You already yelled at me. You told me no. And I'll be like, who told you to talk? And then I'll be like, you told me to talk. And I'll be like, okay, who is this talking? Who does this cat think she's talking to? So I'll be like, maybe she lost her mind. Excuse me. The cat don't lose its mind. Listen, the most funniest thing that my cat does is like this little sound. It's like very funny to me and my mom because we really like that noise and we think it's kind of funny to us. And I know you guys are like, oh my god, that's whatever sound you made, I don't understand. Yeah, you don't. Because sometimes people don't know sounds that I make. And they think I'm crazy. And I'll be like, I'm not crazy, I'm Asian. And I'll be like, no, I'm vegan. And then people say, why are you eating crab? And I'll be like, who ate this? It's a camera went down. So, I'm going to end this video about Starra life. We might do another one. I don't know. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, watch this video, go to our channel, go to our Instagram. Ooh. Peace. And I love you. Bye, make you the cues.